Hello everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. If you recall from one of our last videos, this is one of our Sempervivum bed planters that I put together, and it is February 24th. So we're coming to the end of winter, and I want to show you guys how these things have fared throughout the winter with no coverage whatsoever, off the ground in a raised planter. So these have endured many nights of, negative 10, negative 15 degrees. So we're going to take a look, open them up, and see what kind of color and life we have in them through this harsh winter that we have here in Wisconsin. So taking a look at them here, they actually look pretty decent. There's several of them that have a lot of color on the inside and are quite firm yet. So if we open them up, we can see that there's still color everywhere throughout. So that's a good sign. As we look at the other ones, there's a few leaves on the outside that have totally died and come off, which is fine because we want the inside of them to be growing. But overall, they look very good. These are definitely going to survive. And just the fact that they have fared so well through a harsh winter without any coverage and in a totally raised bed really surprises me. You can see there again, these green ones have done the best. Almost no discoloration at all. Obviously they're closed up, being that it's winter time. That's partially, one of their defenses, is to close up real nice and tight. But the color looks really good. The texture of the petals themselves is great. And I think a large majority of these are going to do just fine. There's a few of them, again, like I said, where the outside leaves are dying off, but the centers, which is the important part, are doing okay. See there, to have a Sempervivum look like that after an entire winter of extreme cold, freezing and thawing over and over again, I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm very happy with that. So these have done great, in my opinion. So there you have it. Here in southeastern Wisconsin, these Sempervivum do great, even in a completely uncovered bed that's raised off the ground too. This is going to lower the temperature even more because there's just airflow going under here, and it's not using the earth at all. So I was curious to see how they were going to do. I'm very happy with the results. They've been left untouched all winter long, no watering, no nothing, just completely leaving them at the mercy of nature, and they've done very well. So if you're looking to plant Sempervivum and want them to last year after year, definitely make sure that they're established well before winter, and they should do just fine for you. Keep them in a well-lit area as well, and they'll do great. Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Have a great day.